Hello there from Bugeye Guys, and this week I want to take you for a short drive in a blue Bugeye we call Bluey of all things. It's a kind of a pale speedwell blue kind of blue, a very attractive color. But more importantly, this is a car that's been very well modified with all the stuff that people want. Oh, hello. Including a 1275 engine, a 5-speed Datsun transmission, and a front sway bar, mini light wheels which are rounder and stronger and straighter. It's a comfortable car. I'm hamming it up there to show you, but it really is a nice tight car. You get to come along with me today on one of our diagnostic drives. We are constantly making these punch lists on these cars and constantly sorting them out, checking them off, making new lists. And this one is no exception. You can see that the speedometer is stuck on the left there and the tachometer is not working. So we'll fix both of those here. That's pretty routine for us. These are the kinds of issues that you often face with these cars. But what they all have is a wonderful unibody construction that makes them very tight. Once we eradicate all the rattles and fix all the functionality issues, they're always wonderful cars, and that's why we've done almost 400 at this point of making this video. This is a January day, kind of cold, but a mild January and good fun. Now that's fifth gear, and then third gear. Just wanted to demonstrate here that you can loaf along in fifth gear, even at a slow speed. I'm probably going 30 miles an hour, 35. And for some of our customers, they really enjoy just having a more mellow ride, and fifth gear makes that possible. If you want more performance, that's of course available just by downshifting. The other really nice thing about these Datsun 5-speeds or the Ford 5-speeds that we sell in our catalog is that they're fully synchronized, and you don't have any learning curve with the early gearboxes that are non-synchro. First, it takes a little bit of practice for people who are new to those gearboxes. This car drives really nicely. You might be able to see a slightly more aggressive tire width, and that's a 175 tire. And it works nicely on this car. They're almost new tires. We've also gone through and fixed a whole bunch of stuff and refreshed the hydraulic system and started to address some of the coarse issues with the car. And of course there'll be a few more. I think there's a slight exhaust leak up front, and the gauges, as I mentioned, the car also needs new front shocks. All of this coming to light as we make our test drives and get the car ready to list it for sale. So that's Bluey, a nice 1275 modified Bugeye here at Bugeye Guys, and give us a call if you're interested.